Hello everyone, this is Cameron Kanjeski, and today I'm going to showcase my project for Level Design 2. This week I was continuing to work on my level in Unreal Tournament, the editor, and this is my level for the Unreal Tournament game. I made a lot of changes, I added a lot of different things. I converted most of these objects to static meshes, and I'm having these really bad issues with lighting. Um, I'm not sure why. I look at this object and let me look here, edit. So this is not the exact object I edited. I thought maybe I had to auto generate the UVs again, but then you have all these UVs that look fine, and it's on UV channel 1, and yeah, it looks fine. And then you have this on UV channel 0. I'm not sure what that's about, so I'll turn that off. And I still get issues with it. Everything just either doesn't render properly or is just straight black, on the viewport. So that's a problem. And like I said, I went into Maya and did the same. Well, I took this object, did the same object, and where is it? It's somewhere here. I can't build the lighting because I don't want to have to fix everything again, but it's somewhere in here. I basically um, took it into Maya and then I auto generated all the UVs, so that's what I thought would fix it, and that didn't fix it at all because I brought it in. It still had the same issue. So I'm assuming there's some issue or some setting that I'm not aware of to fix the lighting. So I'll wait until I send this in and we'll have the meeting on Monday to start adding and fixing the lighting. But for the most part, the level's finished except for like maybe some item placements, and then I might decide to replace some game objects with objects from other levels, like I did here with the arches and stuff and the flag, just to add some more actual prop details instead of just block mesh. But yeah, the level's pretty much finished at this stage. Changed mostly the middle area because I took your feedback, Professor Gerard, and I wanted to make sure that um, everything was a little bit more structured and everything's a little bit more less open, so you couldn't get shot very easily from one side to the other. And I added this thing in the middle, so you really can't get shot from over here at all, on all the way over here, unless you're like, well, I don't think you really can actually. One other big change I made is that I added flags and everything in for the players to capture. And why is there a light down there? Oh, it's an object. Yeah, so essentially I added the flags here because I didn't realize at the time, because I had only played Deathmatch. I have never played CTF on this game just yet. But I tried out some CTF matches and realized that this is not going to work because I was going to have one flag over here and then one flag over here. And I just realized that was not a good placement for it because you could literally just jump down, swim, go across, and go up here and you win. So I just didn't like that. I felt like it was more appropriate to have it here and, go all the way over here. Well, actually, initially what I wanted was that you'd have to grab the flag, like if you were on red team, or if you're on blue team and you want to get the red flag, you grab the flag, and then you have to go back to your base over here and deposit the flag here. But that's not how that works, I guess. At least not with CTF mode. So I moved the flags over here. It seemed like an easy thing to fix and do. So I like that. I also added an ability or a way to get up here. So I got rid of the elevator inside, and there's no way to. I found out there's a way that if you jump on this jump pad, you can jump essentially on top of here and then get into the spawn. So it doesn't matter what team you're on, you can do that, and that's kind of a problem. So got rid of the elevator, got rid of the hole in the ground, added this. I just feel like this is a way better solution anyway. Not to mention, I also have some of these jump pads here that you can use to get up. So you can always get up from the ground now if you want to get back into your base. Well, not into you can't, no one can get back into spawn, but you can get up here and get weapons and stuff like that. What else? Yeah, so I had elevators over here. I had a few issues with these meshes because I converted all these to a static mesh and I didn't realize that there was an issue here. So basically, these elevators are here. I'll have to fix some of this stuff. This one's completely blocked off. You'll see that. That's kind of not, well, that's definitely not good. But the ones over here, this one's fine. So you can see that's what it's supposed to look like. There's also one over here. and that one's fine. So that's what that's supposed to look like as well. Yeah, I just have to fix that for sure. Moving forward. Excuse me, I'm yawning. Yeah, and what else? What else? What else? Yeah, I like these statues. In my project, I have everything in here and in my Cameron Kanjewski folder and restricted assets. And I hope that I did this right because I know that we don't if we don't have all these static meshes in here, along with their materials and whatever else they need, that it's not going to show up when we give you our files. So I basically I was trying to go through the props for chill. Excuse me, itchy throat. SM chill, I think it's called, or DM chill, I don't know. Yeah, DM chill, I think it's called. And I was trying, like, there's a folder in here with those assets, and I was trying to drag those in here, and I wasn't getting all the stuff for it. Like, if I dragged this object in, I wasn't getting, like, the materials and stuff for it. So I just went into the map itself, copied and pasted all the assets, threw them in here, and then I would click on this, right click, find in content browser, and then, well, this is not a good example because it's already in here, but this would, show me the asset in chill, in the chill folders, and then I would grab that asset, and then throw it in here. I would copy and paste and throw it in here. So I hope that that works. Yeah, I think that should work. I also did the same thing with all the materials. So what I did with that was I would, let's say I wanted to get, I'll just use this example. Let's say I wanted to get this red texture or material. I would click on it and then Control C it, and I would Control V it into here. And that's basically what I did for that. So I hope that that works. I'm not sure. You can see I have all my static meshes and everything in here, and all the materials I have. So yeah, I hope that works, because that would be a real huge bummer if I submit this and then all this stuff's not here. But yeah, essentially that's what my project looks like. I'm gonna play it in a second. Let me play it right now, actually. This might take a second because I'm recording. Yeah, anyway, I'm not sure how to test my project right now until, like, I'm not sure what assets, if any, are going to be missing. I hope none, because I think I did everything right. But just in case I didn't, I'm just really worried that, some assets will be missing, and I really hope that they aren't going to be missing, because that'd be a huge bummer. So, here we are. I'm not going to grab any guns. You can see right here, the jump pad works really well, and then you can grab a sniper. And then everything's lagging a bit, so you can get a shot over here at those people over there. Or down here. Or down here. So that's a pretty good sight line, I think. At least I like it. The railing might have to be moved down a bit. There's also the one down here that allows you to jump up here, so that helps and works a lot. Or at least works pretty well. And the elevators, excuse me, work pretty well. Over here I just put a stinger instead of a flag. I felt like that was a good idea if I couldn't put the flags there. Let me show you what the middle looks like, because I spent a lot of time on this, and I probably will have to continue spending time on it, but we'll see. So there's ammo right here. There's also still that center area where people can go into, and you can behind cover shoot people from here. Same thing on this side, you can get behind cover and shoot. I feel like I need to have something that blocks the sightline of this door, and I'm not sure how to do that without blocking the steps. There just needs to be something here, and there's not. Because otherwise, I feel like you'd just be able to stand right here, shoot the guy, and then game over for the other team. Like, they lose their flag they were trying to capture. Which, maybe that's not a bad thing. We'll see when we test it. But I just feel like that might not work as well as I hope. I'll also add elevators to this side, so you can get up here. So yeah, basically you're able to get across the map now pretty well, and up and down the elevations. So yeah, let me try and capture a flag.
You have the flag.
And got the flag. So you can either go through the middle, or you can go back down these bridges. The thing is, you get out in the middle, you're not covered. I might add some cover. Done those. Here we go.
Your team scores.
And we scored. So yeah, everything seems to be working in that regard. I hope so, at least. Now I'm looking at this, I noticed I'm missing the flags themselves in here. That's the problem. Oh no, they're here. They're right here. Why are they not showing up? UT blue flag. They're just not appearing. Viewport. That's there. Oh, I gotta click on them. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I didn't know if I needed the flags and the base or just the base. I figured I needed probably both because I don't know. I assumed so. But you know, just in case it's in there, in case it's necessary. So yeah. Anyway, that's all I got on this. I really want to get the lighting fixed, and it's really a really important issue to fix. You can see, like, I even brought, this is fine, but I even brought like some of these static meshes. Like here, look at this. I brought these static meshes in from the other level, and they're just completely black. And it's like not all of them, but quite a few of them. Like this would be receiving some light, I'm pretty sure, and these ones are fine. These ones are not. So I'm not sure what that's about. And you know, there's a light here, so it's lighting up this side, but not that side. I don't know. So yeah, I mean, I feel like that kind of indicates that there's a setting I'm missing or something. I'm not sure, but if you don't mind, I'd like to figure out a solution for that sometime, hopefully on Monday. Anyway, have a wonderful day, everyone. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.